Alright, gentlemen, so here are the successful bends, and I mean successful as in they successfully bent and did not show a rejectable flaw. I've got a root, let's see, I've got a root and a face, a root, I have to look, a face and a root, like that. There we go. So, a root and a face on the 3G, and a root and a face on the 4G. And one of them, I didn't mark the sides, I forgot to, so it's bent just a little off center. That's my fault. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying to show that. You can see the weldment versus the base metal. I don't know if you guys can see that real well. Real easy to see in person. This is the one I bent just a little bit off center. I don't know if that's coming through real well. Anyway, can you guys see that? There it is. I think you guys can see that. That's the weld metal right there. Let's see. Anyway, that's what a test 3G and 4G 3/8 carbon steel FCAW MIG weld test looks like. And this welder has successfully passed this test. Anyway, thanks for coming along. See you guys later. Bye.